Yes, so this is all about the deep network or deep learning and the neural network that I will.
Okay, let me share my screen again. Yes. See. So this is the model. So see, here I'm giving you some tips how to approach the model. See, completion of the model is not so much important. Apart from that, one more thing is important is that the proper orientation. Okay, you can see all these models are placed in a isometric view. Okay, what view? Isometric view. Isometric view, as you know, it is tilted about the 30 degree about the center line, that included excluded angle is 30 degree. Okay, that's you know, that is basic of engineering drawing. I am not going to deep into that. Okay, so see here the approach is that, see here the fundamentals is that, see this is one side, this is one side, and this is one more side. Okay, so any model you can approach from any direction or any side. So you can start from this direction. So you need to create this 2D sketch first. Then you can add material and you can perform further operation and you can complete. This is one approach. Another approach is there. You can start from this side, like you need to complete this kind of model. You need to create this kind of model. You can extrude. Then you can perform certain operation. That is also correct. You can start from the top also. That is also correct. So here the important thing is that the approach may be different and no approach is wrong. Okay, but the thing is that whatever plane you can choose, depend upon the selection of your plane, the orientation is going to vary. Okay, and always remember, see, whatever the kind of model you will get three sides only, like this, like this, like this. One, two, three, one, two, three. Getting me? So now the question comes, which one is front side, which one is right side, and which one is top side? So getting me? Always remember this left side. This left side is your front plane or the front view. Which view? Front view. This one. This one is your right view. Okay. And this one is your top view. Okay. Clear? Now coming to SolidWorks. In SolidWorks also you will get three planes. Okay. Let me show all those three planes so that you can visualize it. See, three planes are there. See, this one front is this one is right, this one, and this one is top. What is the difference is that? The difference is that, let me show you. See, I am selecting the front plane. Okay. After selecting the front plane, I am doing any sketch. Okay. I am doing a simple circle. I am not defining any dimension. I am giving extrude. Okay. Whatever may be the dimension or whatever may be the thickness, I am extruded it. Okay. Here, see, I am pressing Control 7, shortcut key. See, the circle is extruded in this direction. That means this is your circle and this is the thickness. Clear? Why it is like this? Because I created my plane or I created my circle in the front plane. Clear? The same thing if I will do in the right plane, what I will get? Let me show you that. Let me delete it. Okay. Now by default, like previous three planes are there. Now I am selecting the right plane. Click on sketch. Again I am drawing one circle like this. I am not defining any dimension like previous. Simple, I am extruded it. Okay. See, same circle, same length is there, but see the orientation. Previously it was like this, but now it is like this. Getting me? So this is the importance of the selection of your plane whenever you are drawing any sketch, because for creation of any 3D model you need to create the base sketch first. The base sketch must be placed at the proper plane so that your orientation is going to be correct. Clear? Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
No doubt? Okay. Now, so what we covered? So this is why the selection of the plane is very much important. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to set this shortcut. This is called mouse gesture. Okay. Okay. So how to set this mouse gesture so that what happen? Every time you no need to see by clicking here also I can orient it, I can rotate it, I can get the appropriate location. Okay, getting me? So how to set this mouse gesture? This is a shortcut. Okay. So for creating this mouse gesture, what do we need to do? See this gear icon is there. Okay. Just drop down it, click on customize. Okay. Once you click on customize, this kind of customized tab will open. Okay. Directly go to mouse gesture. Okay. When you click on mouse gesture, you will get four workbenches like your part, sketch, assembly, and drawing. Sketching is very much required, very much essential for creation of the part modeling. After the completion of your part modeling, we are going to cover assembly, and then finally we are going to cover drafting or drawing. Okay. So here it is showing you the default or the pre-request, sorry, it is here showing you the default mouse gesture for the different icon. Okay, let me show you. See here the enable mouse gesture in the check condition. That's why if it is in the check condition, I am clicking on OK. I uncheck that one. See, the mouse gesture is not coming. I'm doing the same thing, just simply pressing right click and dragging. Why it is not coming? Because I uncheck that one. Okay, so you just need to click on check the enable mouse gesture. Then here see 8 gesture is there. That's why each environment or the each workbench is having 8 icon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 icon. You can customize it. You can two vertical, two horizontal, 3, then 4, maximum is 12. Okay, maximum is 12. Okay, but I suggest 8 is sufficient. Okay, so see, for sketching workbench, part modeling workbench, assembly, and drawing. Now the question comes, how you can customize it. That means in place of this sorry, here what icon is there, that convert entity is there. Okay, instead of convert entity you want to add center line, suppose, or here that sketch fillet is there. In the place of sketch fillet you want to add center line. So what you need to do here, see, category is all command. Here you can simply write down that particular option or the feature name, center. Sorry, center. See, center of mass, it is coming. See, center line, simple drag it and place it where you want to place. See, I'm clicking on it. See, that center line option is replaced by, sorry, that fillet option is replaced by our center line option. Like this, whatever customization you want to make to whatever environment, it may be your sketching environment, part of environment, assembly environment, or drawing environment, you can make all your desired configuration. You can set all your desired customization. Okay, once you satisfied with your result, simply click on OK. Once you click on OK, let me show you that I added that center line or not. Now suppose, see, till now we created plane or the any sketches on desired plane only, but you can create sketch on a planar face also. Simply click on that, click on sketch. See, it is coming. Now see the mouse gesture. I'm drawing a circle again. See, circle is done. Now I want to add center line. See here, center line is there. See, center line is there. Yes or no? See, center line is there. Like that, you can add whatever the command or the whatever feature you want to add. Okay. So it will save you a lot more time. So every time for defining dimension or for the creating circle, you no need to click on here. So here using mouse gesture, you can do so like line. Okay. So this is how you can set your desired mouse gesture. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the planes are not required. So planes are required, but better we need to hide it. Why it is required to hide? So whenever you click on any plane, see the other two planes are look like a two line are intersecting with each other. Okay. So this may create confusion. So for that reason, it is suggested that, and by default, all the three planes are hide. Okay. Now, today we are going to cover some of the feature first, some of the option first. Then I will take you to draw the exercises as well. Okay. So we'll start with revolve. So yeah, last class we already covered extruded boss. So extruded boss is what? So this is a particular feature which is used to add material normal to your profile. Okay. Like that, what is revolve? Revolve is used to add material above an axis. Okay, let me show you that. Front end, we're creating a sketch. It's need a center line. Always remember. For revolve option, the basic requirement is center line, or you can use any entity of your sketch also. That means if I created sketch like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is our sketch. Okay, I am not defining any dimension for the timing. For giving you just only example. This is my profile. Okay, exit. Okay. Now I want to add material above this axis. So what I can do? I want to add material above this axis or above this line. So what I can do? Click on revolve. Click on the center line or that particular line. See, this is revolve. The maximum angle is 360 degree. Here you need to select axis of revolution. Here you can change your axis of revolution. Like previously I selected this line. Now if I select this line, see, it is revolved about that axis. If you select this one, that is also possible. Getting me? So that means what? You can select any entity of your created sketch as your axis of revolution. Okay. Like extrude, here also two direction you are having. Direction 1, direction 2. Suppose in direction 1 I am defining 30 degrees. See? That is, it added material above 30 degree only. In direction 2, suppose 90. See, this is our sketch which we created. This direction 30 degree, this direction 90 degree. Okay. So this is how you can create your desired sketch. And if you want to create a hollow kind of profile like we created in the extruded boss, simply click on thin feature and here you can define dimension. Suppose 2. See, it is maintaining the thickness of 2 each side. Getting me? But we want a solid profile, so we no need to create like this. So clear? So this is how, if you get a symmetric kind of model, like let me show you some example where you can use that one. See this one. See, reading me? The left hand side and right hand side both are equal or not? This is from the top view. See, it's a circular thing, and this is the section view. So this kind of model where you are going to use revolve option. Clear? There. So extrude boss, revolve boss is clear. Then like that, suppose you want to remove material. So after adding material, if you want to remove material, you can click on revolve boss. Why it is not highlighted over here? Because no material is there. The both the option and both the boundary conditions are same. But always remember, whenever it is written that boss or base, boss or base, boss or base, these all are material addition feature. It is required to add material to your desired sketch. Okay, and all the options which are defined by cut. All these are material removal feature. Okay, but the sketch condition, boundary condition, profile requirement, all are same for both the cases. Okay, now I am going to show you one important thing, that is mirror. Because what happens whenever you create any kind of feature, every time you no need to create the other feature. Like in this model, for example, see here one feature is there. This side the same feature is there. You can create both the feature, like this feature you can need to create, this feature you need to create, yes or no? But if you know the mirror option, you can simply create this one and you can mirror to opposite side. Okay, this is why mirror is so important. Let me show you that. First we are going to see mirror front. Okay, and always remember, whatever I'm drawing, I'm starting from the origin. The benefit is that whenever you start drawing from the origin, your plane is going to remain in the middle. And if it is a symmetry model, always apply mid plane. If you do mid plane, what happens? Your sketch is going to remain in the middle and origin is going to remain in the middle. Whatever thickness you are applied, it is divided by 2. Okay, like 50. So this side 25, this side 25. Okay, simply click on OK. So our model is completed. Okay. Now suppose I am creating any profile or any more feature over here in this phase. Just a second. This one. Sketch. Okay. Here I am creating one more sketches, like simple rectangle I am drawing like this. Okay. I'm not giving any dimension, just for example. Okay. Cut is there. See, one cut mark is there. What I want to copy or the mirror this cut feature to opposite side. How I can do so? If I don't know mirror option, what I need to do? Again, I need to select this plane, click on sketch. Again, I need to create sketch. Yes or no? But using mirror option, we can reduce our design time. So what I need to do? Simply click on feature first. What feature you want to mirror? Then click on mirror. Okay. Then select the here mirror face or plane. Here you need to select the mid plane. About which plane you want to mirror. The plane must be in the middle, because I started my plane or my sketch from origin. So I have my plane. See, right plane is in the middle. So I just simply select that one. Okay. See, it is showing you the preview. Simply click on OK. Done. Yes or no? So like this, here what you can do, you can create this profile, you can remove this radius 7, you can create this cut, you can mirror about this particular plane. Okay, this is the example. Okay, any doubt in the mirror? One more time, let me show you one more time. Here also I am drawing one more profile. Okay, here I am creating this profile, suppose circular profile. Stored. This time I am adding material. Okay, like this. Okay, material addition is there. I want to mirror this feature to the opposite side. How? Select feature, click on mirror. Here about mirror plane, you can simply click on right plane, because right plane is in the middle. Always remember, for mirror option you desire a plane, 3D plane. Okay, like sketching in sorry mirror in the sketching we need a center axis. Like that in the mirror in the 3D you need a plane. Okay, this two is basic requirement. Okay, now I will cover some of the more part modeling feature tools like fillet and chamfer, which are basic requirement. Okay, let it be. Select this one. Okay. Now, see, suppose we are going to apply fillet. Once you click on fillet, the first fillet type. Okay, first fillet type is constant size fillet. Here you just need to define the particular radius of your fillet. Constant size fillet means throughout the edge it is going to maintain same radius value. You can select this edge. See, the value is 10. You can define whatever value you want, suppose 12. Simply click on enter, click on OK. Fillet is done. It is very much simple. One more time, click on fillet and you can select multiple edge at a time also. Suppose I want to apply fillet of radius 5. See, symmetric type. Select this one, this one. You can select face also. I will show you how. Means multiple edge also. See, this is my edge 1, this is my edge 2. Okay, and one more edge, suppose this one. Okay, see, 3 edges I can select at a time. Getting me? Clear? So multiple selection also can be done using the same fillet option, and you can select face as well. Let me show you that. If you want the same, see, this particular face is connected to this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Yes or no? So if you want to apply any particular radius fillet to all the 4 edges, you can simply click on fillet, select this particular face, okay, and here you can define whatever value you need to apply. Simply click on OK. So what result you will get? See, all the edges associated with this particular page will take the radius value of your fillet. Clear? So this is how you can minimize your design time if you want to apply. See, previously if you don't click on place, what you need to do, you need to select each edges individually, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. But instead of selecting multiple edges, you can select a single face. It will reduce your design time. Yes or no? Then coming to chamfer. Sometimes you need to apply chamfer also. Just drop down that one, fillet icon, you will get a chamfer. Click on that. So what you can do, simply click on like edge or like the fillet. Here you can select edge or face. But here you will get a different kind of chamfer. First is angle distance, means here you need to define distance and suppose angle is 30 degree. Okay, one more type, distance into distance. Okay, distance into distance means both the distance. See, both the distance may be symmetric or asymmetric. Suppose here I am applying asymmetric type. That means one distance is 5, one distance is 10. Simply click on OK. See the difference here to here and here to here. Previously the edge is here, yes or no? So this distance is 5, this distance is 10. Getting me? So this is what, angle into, sorry, distance into distance, but here you can see in the preview, distance into distance, but see, this is 5, this is 10. Okay, but if you want symmetry type also, you can do, just click on symmetry. Here define your desired dimension, click on OK. See, both are same now. This one is 10 and this one is also 10. Like that, whatever your requirement, angle into distance or distance into distance or distance into different distance, both you can define. Okay. So whenever you are going to create any kind of model, this fillet, chamfer, okay, mirror feature, all these feature you are going to use. So use all these feature for create this kind of model, all this kind of model. Okay, and here mirror is going to use very much, because every time you no need to create individual feature, you just need to create one side, you can mirror it to opposite side. Okay, now fillet, chamfer, mirror, revolve, all these things are drawn. Only one more feature I am going to show you, that is shape. This is our body. Let me increase little bit. Okay. Now, shell means what? It is used to create a particular amount of thickness throughout your body. Simply click on shell. Here I am defining my dimension or the thickness as 5. Okay. Simply click on OK. Now, see, shell is done or not? Is there any changes in our body? Any changes? Yes or no? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any changes in our body?
No, sir.
But the shell operation is already done. That's why it is added in our feature manager tree. See this icon, the section view option is used very much. Why? It is used to see your sketch by cutting a particular plane. See, previously our bodies look like solid from the outside, but internally see it is cut and it is maintaining a particular thickness throughout. What is the thickness amount? That is 5 mm. Okay, why? Because in the cell option I define the thickness as 5. Okay, one more thing, like we are going to create a glass kind of structure, glass or any kind of box. Whenever we are getting any kind of box, the top face it is must be open throughout maintaining any thickness, but top face must be open. Yes or no? So using cell option only we can do so. So see, like previous the thickness is 5 mm, but here you can simply click and click on the face you want to remove. Here I am selecting the top face of my box. Simply click on OK. See what happened? The top face is removed. At the same time, it is maintaining the particular amount of thickness. Yes or no? So this is how you can create your particular cell. Okay, and not only a single face, if you want to create multiple face also, suppose you want to remove this face and this face also, you can do so. Getting me? Minimum you can remove one face, maximum you can remove all the other faces as well as per your requirement. Okay, then in the same time, if you want to add any other thickness value like 5 mm you are using over here, you are selecting this way, so throughout the body it is going to maintain 5 mm thickness, but suppose this side you want to maintain another thickness value, this side of you want to maintain another thickness value. Okay, so what you can do, the multi thickness is there, click on here, select this face. Here you can define your particular value. Suppose here I am defining 20. The throughout body is still 5, but this side I want 20. Okay, then this side I have selected, this side I want 10. Okay, now click on OK. See what is the result. Let me show you from the top. See, it is maintaining 5 mm. This side is 20, this side is 10. Getting me? That means here multiple thickness also, if you want you can apply. Clear? This is the use of cell option. Okay, clear? Any doubt till now?
The last class, please repeat.
This thickness, multiple thickness. Just a
Last case.
bit. Shell. Here you need to define whatever thickness value you want throughout your body. Okay. Suppose I am defining 10. Here you need to select which face you want to remove. This face I want to remove. Okay. Now here multiple thickness setting. Suppose see here I define 10 mm means throughout body it is going to maintain 10 mm. But this side suppose I want to add any other thickness than 10. Suppose that thickness is 25. Okay. Simply click on OK. See, the top face is removed. throughout body thickness is 10 mm, but only this side the thickness is 25. Okay, this is how if you want to add different thickness also you can add in the cell option only. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now these much options are sufficient for today. Now come back to our exercises. So tell me, how many of you completed this exercise 1? This exercise 1 completed for all of you? Yes or no? Hmm?
No, sir.
Why?
So actually, we just completed the previous exercises, the sketching part actually, sir.
Okay. See, whenever we give you some exercises, like today I cover some of the option at the same time. See, I cover some of the option, then we are coming to exercises. Whenever after the completion of each and every session, practice all those options first, then come to the exercises. Okay, so that you will be in a same pace with me. Otherwise, what happen? I am going on gradually, completed part, assembly, drafting like that, but you are staying in the previous class only. You are following my backside like that. It is happened. Okay, so that whenever you need to update yourself. Okay, so today I will not going to cover any more option today. So you need to start practicing all the option first. Whatever the option I covered today, like revolve, you need to practice first. Fillet chamfer, mirror, and shade. Practice all those options first. Then start creation of this particular exercise. You need to complete this exercise 1, 2, and 3. And I am telling you repeatedly in this particular figure some of the dimensions are missing, so don't worry about it. If you find any dimension is missing, assume dimension by yourself. You need to complete the model, try to complete this model as it is look like. Okay, clear? So before applying or the before creation of this particular model, can you just tell me from which side you are going to create this particular model? What is your approach?
From right plane.
Right plane. Right plane, which face? This face.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct. Because if you start from the right plane, then only after the completion of your model, you are going to get a isometric view like this. Okay. And one more thing, remember, before creation of any model or any kind of sketch or any kind of component, please try to create it within your mind. That means you need to plan it. That means, see, I suppose I need to create this model. I should plan that this is the way, this is way, this is way, but which way I should go. So I am planning like this. I need to create this sketch as my base sketch. Then I need to apply the extruded option like 44. Then I need to cut this profile. I can mirror it. Then both the profile I can mirror it to opposite side, and then I just need to create a rectangle and cut through. So this is my planning. Otherwise, what happened? Sometimes what happened? You are started your particular approach randomly, but at the middle of the component or the at the middle of the drawing, you came to know that it is not possible to proceed further. So what happened? All your time, all your effort will be waste. Yes or no? So like that, for creation of your any model, you need to plan first. Okay, this is the right side approach is very good and appropriate for this kind of model. Coming to exercise 2, tell me which approach is correct. And one more thing, remember, in modeling or the 3D modeling or the CAD drawing, no one is wrong or nothing is wrong. Only the important thing is that for completion of this model, how many feature you are going to use and how much time you are taking. This is what makes you the difference. Like whatever model you are, whatever feature you are applied, all those features you are going to record it over here. Okay. So you may require 5 features to complete the exercise 1. Your friend may require only 3 features to complete exercise 1. So who is better? Your friend is better because he utilizes minimum feature for the completion of the complete model. Getting me? Now coming to exercise 2, tell me which approach is correct for this one.
So we can do it from front as well as right plane.
Right? That also you can do. This is a ideal kind of model. You can start it from the top as well, but this front is better because you need to create a L kind of profile. Then you can extrude it up to 64, and later here you can apply fillet of radius 48. Okay, and this one is for you. That means
Top.
you will need to try by yourself. Okay. Now, uh, how many of you having system right now? How many of you have access to the software right now? All of you have software or not currently? That means do you have all of you have software with you right now? Working condition. Can you
Yes, sir.
practice it? Okay. But Acroprova, I think your laptop is not working. Bodhisattva laptop is working. Ritankar?
Yes, sir, I have the software.
Okay. So now I am giving you 15 minutes time so that you can practice all the sub option first, whatever option I cover, like revolve, fillet and chamfer, mirror and shell. Okay. Practice all the sub option first. Once all the sub options are completed, we'll start discussing and we'll start working on these exercises. Okay. Sure. So now I'm giving you 15 minutes time, 15 minutes break to practice all those sub option, whatever I covered. Then we will start with the exercises. Okay. So we can resume our session on 3.5. Okay. So in the meantime, if you go to some break, you can go and you can practice all those sub option first. Okay. Just a second, let me give you the time. We will resume our class on 3.5 p.m. Okay. So your practice is completed or need some more time? Hello. Practice is completed or need some more time to practice? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Practice completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will discuss
Sir, please repeat once more the mirror.
mirror. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
I will create the exercise one using mirror option. Okay, so that practically you can
Okay, sir.
see how to use mirror option. Okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
more any other doubt in the any option whatever we discussed today? No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. So we will create this exercises one. Okay, using whatever feature, whatever option we cover today, we will use mirror option over here. Okay. Like I asked and you told that we can start from this right side approach, so that we will create our base sketch on the right side plane. Okay, so let's do that. So this is our SolidWorks environment. Sketch. Okay. Now see front, top, right. We are selecting right pane. Click on sketch. Okay. Now see here you need to create this one. Okay. So we will create a simple rectangle which is having length 62, height is 50. So simple, we will create a centered rectangle. Okay, length is how much? 62, 40. 62, 62. This one 40. Sorry, 50. Huh? Okay, done. Now see, one circular cut is there, that is throughout. So here you can directly create a circle so that automatically it will create a hole in your solid body. Otherwise, what happen? You can add. You need to additionally create one circle. You need to cut it so that it will add one more feature over here. Okay. To reduce that one, I told you you need to minimize use of your feature. So here you can draw a circle of dia 20. Select this one, dia 20. Done. Okay. Here see, one more feature is there. The depth is not given. We can assume it. But see, this cut feature is throughout. Like the circle, you can create a cut feature here in the sketch only, so that whenever you extrude this one, it is automatically create a cut kind of profile. Yes or no? Otherwise, you need to additionally create a profile and you need to cut it. So here you can draw one more sketch over here. So we can create like this. Here I am going to show you one more option, that is symmetry. How to do symmetry? Okay. First is dimension. We are defining dimension. What is the length of that? 28. Okay. 28. Okay. And the total sketch is in the middle. So how we can do that? Here you can select the midpoint. See, the midpoint is here. You can click on that. See, the midpoint is coming. Move your cursor over here. You will find the midpoint. Simply click on that. Click on control. Select the center line. Define vertical. Done. Then the depth is not defined. We can assume our depth as 5 suppose. Okay. So our depth is 5. Fully constant. Now this portion is not required, so we are going to trim it quickly. Power trim. See. Done. Sketch is fully constant. Everything is okay. Fully constant. Exit. Then we need to extrude it. But as I told you, when you are going to extrude it, see, if you extrude it by using mid-plane, so total 44 is going to divided by 22, 22. Your origin is going to remain in the middle, so that in future what happen, both the cut profile you can mirror to backside. So you will use mid-plane over here. Here we will define our dimension as 44. See, our sketch is in the middle. See, this is the sketch. Sketch is in the middle. This side 22, this side 22. Clear? Then we will create one cut feature over here and we can mirror it to opposite side. Select this face, click on sketch. Okay. What is that radius? 17. We can create one more circle in this particular line. Draw the circle, define the diameter. Diameter radius 17 means diameter is 34, or you can type 17 into 2. See, sketch is fully constant. Click on exit, extrude cut. How much depth it is going to cut? We can see the depth value is not given, so we need to calculate. See, the in between, the thickness is, the material thickness is 20. Total thickness is 44. So what is the thickness of this one? 44 minus 20. How much? 44 minus 20, 24. 12, 12. Okay. So this will be 12. Okay, see. 12. This side also going to be 12. Sorry. 12 is in the mid plane. We were going to define it as blind. This one correctly 12. Okay, 12. When we mirror it to backside, that also going to be 12. Getting me or not? Now, this cut feature is the opposite side as well. So, select the feature, click on mirror. Here you can define your mid plane. Our mid plane is not right plane. Our mid plane is front plane because above this plane we are going to mirror. See the preview. One more option is there. Suppose instead of selecting the feature first, suppose you select the option first, like mirror. First, you need to define the about which plane we are going to mirror. About this plane we are going to mirror. Then, which feature you want to mirror? Here, features to mirror. Here, just click and select the option or the feature you want to mirror. This cut feature I want to mirror. Simply click on that. See the preview. Click on OK. Done. Okay. Once the both the mirror are done, you can mirror it to opposite side. How? Click on this, control, click on mirror, again click on mirror from the option. Now in this case, our mirror plane is our right plane. Click on OK. Done. Control 7 isometric view. See, I think it is correct. Our orientation is also perfectly fine. Now what do we want? We want to just add one more rectangle over here. Simply click on the sketch, then click on sketch. See our origin in the middle. Select rectangle, center rectangle, draw rectangle like this. What is the dimension of our rectangle? 14, height is 18. So dimension, this one is 14, height is 18. Okay, done. Fully constant. Exit. Once it is done, we can simply remove throughout. Extruded cut. You can select throughout. Done. Here you can press Control 7. See, isometric view. Perfectly fine. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you time to complete this exercise 2 and show me. 10 minutes time to complete this exercise 2. I am here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. And the important thing is that you need to complete this exercise 2. And once it is completed, simply press Control 7 or here you will find this isometric view. Click on that. I want the orientation must be like this. Okay. Start. Complete. Exercise 2 completed. Yes or no? Hello. Hello. Exercise 2 completed or not? Hello. Kindly respond.